everybody, and welcome back to another vlog. Today I am going to Ikea and I'm not really sure if I'm gonna buy anything, but we'll see. I just thought it would be like a fun thing to do because I don't really have anything else to do for this entire week. All my friends have traveled and I am ready. I'm fully dressed. I'll show you guys the outfit. I'm hoping this video will be fun. Okay, so this is my outfit. In the camera it's showing like this two different colors, but in person they're actually very much the same. And I'm just wearing this cute little bag with it. And as for the scent, this is the scent for the day. It's called Girl of Now by Ali Sab. It's a really sweet scent and right up my alley because I really like sweet scents. And yeah, let's go try Ikea. It's really hot today and I'm wondering if I'm gonna survive this heat. But look at this. Okay, sorry. I disturbed that bumblebee. This is gonna be interesting, walking around with my vlogging camera. I'm gonna put you guys down now. I really like the interior and the dark green colors and the velvet. It's so nice. I would actually live in a place like this, even though it's a bit dark. To be honest, I thought I was coming here because I was going to find something to buy, but I don't know. I feel like there's just furniture here, but we're gonna check and see if they have some small stuff that I can buy. I really wanted to buy some pillows as well. Some pillows. So we'll see if we'll find something. But this room is so cute. This is like an outdoor. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. They got the showrooms on point, that's for sure. They even have fake food. Oh my god, I would love to have a croissant right now. Am I even speaking loud enough for you guys? This is so cute. It's giving me cabin vibes. Hi guys, and welcome to my new home. I'm just goofing around because I'm probably tired. I'm probably a bit overwhelmed. But you know what? I came all this way, so I'm gonna have fun. Guys, I found another super cute showroom. This is actually my vibe. Believe it or not, I like a more homey vibe. And I just like how cozy. Anyways, I really like the wallpaper and the couch and the kitchen. Let's go see. Oh wow. Oh, this would be the perfect gaming room for my husband. He would sit on that chair and he would never get up. Playing Epics. Babe, if you're watching this, how would you like this gaming room? Playing Epics. I like the blue couch. Forget the other room. I found an even better gaming room with all the equipment. But the screen is fake. It's fake. But look at this gaming equipment. I got a few things on my trolley. And let me show you guys. I'm looking for this. Look, 19 crowns. And I can't find it anywhere. The closest thing I can find is this, and there's no way I'm paying this price for that. So I'm waiting for someone who works here to show me where I can find it. But yeah, I got a couple things. I am so tired. So tired. I just want to eat. I think I'm gonna buy some food. Down at the cafe, they have really good meatballs. I got everything that I needed. Now I'm going to the restaurant. Bye, Ikea. It's been raining. I probably look like a tourist from New York. I don't know. I'm from Los Angeles. Guys, I came back home and it's raining. I'm so glad I came back early enough to not get rained on. Norwegian summer, so bipolar.